Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're creating another garden bed, and we purchased this um, raised garden bed frame off of Amazon and put it together. And now we're filling it up. And what we're putting in there is a mixture of red cinder and mulch. We're trying to find the right ratio of red cinder to mulch to get the best growing conditions for the seeds to sprout. So this took a while. It took many wheelbarrows full of this mixture to fill this raised bed. You can see the mixture of mulch in there, where it's all the ground up leaves and branches and stuff that we ground up with our shredder. We did this mixture because if we just use the red cinder to plant the seeds, it would be too dense and the seeds would have a hard time establishing its roots, and the water will have a hard time seeping down to reach the seeds. So there's our bed, and it's in the middle of the driveway across from our flower bed. Now here, sorry, but it's hard to see. Um, I just trying to show you what we planted. That's black carrot. This is yellow carrot, and we also tried yellow onions. And so we're gonna try that out. I made lines there. We put the seeds in, spread some dirt over it, watered it, put some mulch over the top to keep the moisture in, and hope for the best. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.